So friend, Samsung has only just started rolling out the Android 15 based One UI 7 update, but the attention has already shifted to Android 16 and One UI 8. We have exclusively revealed that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and G Flip 7 will ship with One UI 8 out of the box. Evidently, Samsung's next major upgrade is in the pipeline already and due to be released for other compatible devices later this year. This means that test builds have already been prepared for many of those devices, and that raises the potential for leaks. A major One UI 8 leak of the such build running on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 provides us with an early look at the upgrade, and it appears to be evolutionary for the most part. The images show and the accompanying report points out One UI 8 looks very similar to the One UI 7, at least at this stage. Whatever any major cosmetic changes are planned down the line remains to be seen. Given that One UI 7 was such a major design overall, the changes of that happening with One UI 8 remain slim, and some minor changes have been spotted in native apps like Gallery and File Manager, with the options being presented in a more organized fashion. Perhaps the most exciting revelation is that the now brief will make its way to older devices with One UI 8, and Samsung has kept it exclusive to the Galaxy S25 series for now. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.